संसार में इसके ऊपर महालोक आदि और नीचे में रसातल आदि लोग में, अगर ऊपर में 7 लोग और नीचे कितने लोग होते हैं?
So the Devangana said, "My dear Saki, in the entire universe, in the upper planetary system, such as Maharloka, and in the lower planetary system, such as Rasatala, is anyone worthy of receiving this prema other than Sri Krishna? It is only in his hand, in his land of Vraja, that some doors the prem according to their various individual bhavs." So Maharaj is telling here, who can do love? Only Vrajendranandan Krishna. Why? Even Ram did love to Sita. So Maharaj is telling that Sri Ram did love with Maryada. And this is the rules of this. So Ramchandra showed one more speciality. What he said? So as per the desire of people, he is acting, behave like whatever the desires, whatever the society needs, the king will behave as per the society. And second, he is always favorable for their civilians. So the king is as their family. Day and night, how to benefit. This is the duty of a idle king. A idle king, this is the only way he will never see the family. He sees the happiness of the citizens. So Lord Ram, he showed love, and he showed love for the morning and day. He was just thinking how to give pleasure to the citizens. So Lord Ramchandra, he was not free from thinking. He was always thinking. Ramchandra was always thinking how to benefit these citizens. He will never think how to benefit his family. He always citizens. And in Krishna, coming here, Krishna is not a king. Goal Balak. Yuvraj. Krishna is not king, but he is a prince. Nand Maharaj is the king and Krishna is son, he is a prince. Nand Maharaj. So Krishna do not have any duty of responsibilities like this. Only the king has the duty and responsibilities, always thinking about the benefit of the citizen and the needs of the citizen. Although Krishna is the prince, he is no need to worry about all these things. So the four qualities of hero is Nishchintata. He is free from all kinds of thinking. So he is free from all kinds of anxieties and worries, anxiousness. So all the responsibilities on the king. So Lord Ramchandra was a king, so he is always with anxiety how to make benefit of these people, to these people. But Krishna, since he is the prince, he is not having any anxiety, and whatever the incarnations of Lord Krishna is there. The three incarnations like Karnodakshayi, Garbhodakshayi and Shirodakshayi Vishnu, even they will be thinking creation, how to maintain this, all those things. So he is telling that Bhagavan Vishnu always thinking, and the incarnations has two main duties. One is Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Glanirvavati Bharata. Whenever the is filled with sands, sage Paritranaya Sadhuna Vinashaya Apanarthaya Sambhava. This is not for Brajendranandan Shyam Sundar. This is for avatar incarnations. Krishna comes in the form of Brajendranandan Shyam Sundar himself. So all the incarnations manifest in him. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Vishnu Dwara Kare Asura Maran. Residing Vishnu, who is residing in Krishna, he is defeating all these demons, he is killing all the demons. And this is Shyam Sundar. He is only the bridged Leelas, Sakya Vatsalya and Madhurya especially. Observed in the Bhava and always friendship with God. So here Srimati Radharani Swayam telling from all forms of Bhagavan, starting with Gunavatar and the supremely independent, they engage in activities such as creating material universe, delivering devotees, and establishing Krishna full form, full-fledged. But in all the incarnations, the Sarvagna Mugdata will be in little.
उनके एक ही कार्य है क्या आस्वादन करें और आस्वादन अवतार मैंने कहा सकल आदि गुणावतार लीलावतार पुरुष अवतार एक तो राम का मैं भगवान स्वामी स्वामी, यहाँ तक भी द्वारकाधीश और मथुराधीश के कृष्ण जो है उसमें रहता कहा जाता है। कृष्ण मथुरा में जो है अधिक रूप में जो है द्विभुज धारण करते हैं, कभी कभी चतुर्भुज, किंतु अधिक रूप में धारण करते हैं। पूजा होने से भगवत आप प्रकट कर दो समझ बताओ सब भगवान है बुद्धि सब जगह में बहुत बुद्धि इसको कोई सर्ज बुद्धि हम कहते हैं। वृंदावन में वैसे होता है।
So in Vrindavan there is Acharyatva.
माधुरी के द्वारा संबंधित है, इसलिए राधा की काजी है, स्वयं राजा नहीं है। यहाँ पर फिर कर कृष्ण स्वयं राजा नहीं है, अपितु राजपुत्र है और किसी के भी अपने भगवत को भूल जाते हैं। भाई प्रेम तब होता है जब
So here Maharaj is telling Shri Krishna's manifestations such as Shri Mathuranath and Shri Dwarka able to action. However, Vrajendranandan Krishna is not a king but the son.
थोड़ी दूर होकर के वो और वृंदावन में
Sorry.
झगड़ा भी करते हैं, यह तो हो सके